Okay, prepare your husband or teach him, Google, research how it happens after birth, before birth. Let him know where to come in, let him know where to support you. Hello guys, hello my people, hey, how are you? So today, I say, see this. Today I'm going to cut these greens as we talk. Okay, so here with me I have 3 types of greens. I have these ones, I have these ones, I have these ones, and I have these ones. These ones, they are kales. These ones are kales. These ones are managus, and these ones are terere. This one, they are local, and we call them kenyeji. So these kenyeji ones, these local ones, I'm going to cook them full. They're too small, I don't have to cut them. Yeah, so I'm going to put them in this big pot, yeah, so that I can steam them, and then I will add these ones. Then I pack them in my fridge so that I can be cooking slowly. Okay, yeah. So the local greens, they are very good and very healthy. Yes, I always have like five types of greens, or more than 5. My mother-in-law sends them to me. They are very good for blood. They add blood in your body, the greens. Yeah, they are very good when you are pregnant, because you need a lot of blood. Okay, yeah. Yes, baby, what's up? Guys, you want to see where my baby is? Mama has to work, so he has to stay there. So yeah, they are here, all of them. So I'm going to steam them. Then I will steam the kales later. Guys, we are going to talk about postpartum. It is also known as fourth trimester. So this is the time after the baby is born. Yeah, so some of us, we call it baby blues. Yeah, baby blues. Like, you must have the baby blues first and second week, my friend. You must have the baby blues. It's crazy that time. You don't know what to do, how to do it, mostly for the first time moms. You have a lot of teachers out there. Like, the baby cries all night, all day. Maybe sometimes the baby sleeps too much, you're worried. Some even like keep on listening if the babies are there or not because they sleep too much. Okay, for me, my baby is a noisemaker. Like, I never worried about my baby sleeping, because even he will still make noise even in his sleep. Yeah, so the postpartum, okay, that time of 1 week to 2 weeks, that it's crazy. So expect it, just be ready for it. Be ready to go through those crazy moments, sleepless nights, confused moments. You don't know what to do, how to do it, when to do it. You don't know why the baby is crying. You don't know the baby languages. Like, it's crazy, mostly when you don't even have a supportive partner. Okay, so when you continue with this baby blues, with this baby blues after 2 weeks, or let's say, yeah, after 2 weeks, then that one is counted as a postpartum depression. So guys, postpartum depression is not good. And when you have this postpartum depression, it is likely that you'll have also a depression in future. So you better avoid it, because it's not good for your health when you have a little baby. This small baby is expecting a lot from you. He wants your attention, he wants your care, your love, and if you're married, your husband too want the same. Like, it is too much around you, and you have to be prepared psychologically, you have to be prepared emotionally, you have to be prepared like in all the ways, guys, because at this time most of the people tend to feel like they are alone, they don't have people to support them, it is only you and the baby is all over, it's disturbing, it's crazy, you are not yet healed well, like you're in pains, the baby is crying and the baby wants your attention. Like, it's too much. At evening, your husband wants to find dinner at home, it's not everybody is blessed with house helps, some of us do it by our own. We do everything on our own, and like, you can get depressed. I almost got there, but thank God, those first 3 weeks I got a day bag who used to help me. She would come in the morning, go back at evening, and she really helped me. And then after that, my injury, my incision was okay, and after that I tried taking care of my baby. I don't wash clothes, so I pay someone to do that. So baby, come. Sorry guys, baby. I pay someone to do that, and so I did not have hard work to do. The only thing I did was to take care of my baby and prepare dinner. My husband, those first 6 weeks, 1 month, first 1 month, 2 months, my husband was so supportive. He would stay with the baby at night while I catch a nap. During the day, I'll stay with the baby as he goes to work. Like, it was too much for him too, but he was so supportive. He helped me in all the ways that he could, just to make sure that I don't get that depression. At that time, you feel like your body has changed. You don't like your body. You don't have, maybe if you don't have friends, most of the women lock themselves indoors. They don't even open windows, they don't even open the curtains, so they live in a dark room. With some of this mentality that, I don't know, I don't know, the baby will be exposed to what and what, like those, they are fake mentalities, please. For me, like, I started taking my baby out with 1 month, so I did not care. My baby has to get sunlight, okay? The house must be well ventilated. The air must enter in the house, so you have to open the windows, you have to open the curtains, the sunlight must come inside the house, the fresh air must come inside the house. So I don't see, the more you close these windows and the curtains, the more you live in a dark room, the more you get depressed. Remember, it's only you and the baby, and that moment your mind is a bit idle, and you'll think about a lot, and most of these thoughts will be negative. So you better avoid that, because you'll find yourself in a bad place. Can you imagine you getting into a depression? You have a small baby who needs you. Do you know how crazy is that? Maybe you have not healed well yet. Also, you'll find also having problems with your partner, because depression is not good. It is not good, and most of overthinkers get depression, so you better avoid it. And I've told you the way to avoid this depression is to make sure that you don't stay indoors all through the day. Go outside with the baby, get sunlight, open the windows, make sure your windows are open every day, make sure your curtains are open, don't live in dark rooms. You make sure the fresh air comes inside the house so that you cannot get sick too. Make sure if your friends, let them visit you. No, of course not many friends, maybe one or two. Make sure you let them visit you, or if you have a friend you can visit around, visit them, talk to somebody, because at that time your husband cannot be your best friend. You cannot, there are things that you cannot tell your partners, of course they are, because sometimes they are also busy with their life, they are working hard, they are as hard to take care of you as a family, and they will not always be there for you, like emotionally. They will not be there to listen to all of your stories, how you feel always, but they will be there, but not 100%, maybe 80%, and that 20% can kill you. So you better talk it with somebody. If your mom is your good friend, visit your mom mostly. Let your relative that you connect well with, let them visit you, talk to them. Don't stay alone that time, don't stay alone. Make sure you talk, don't keep things inside your heart. Talk. Let people help you with the baby. Don't always be with the baby all the time, even if you're not feeling well. Let people help you with the baby. Don't be like, nobody should touch my baby, oh blah blah, those mentalities. No, if your friend come, your cousins come, let them help you with the baby. Take a rest. Always take shower every day so that you can be fresh. So okay, because stress, depression can make you even never take shower. Make sure you eat healthy. Eat greens, eat proteins, eat carbohydrates, eat fruits, eat balanced diet food, because you're also breastfeeding. So you eat well so that you not get sick, or you not keep losing weight. Yeah, make sure you watch your favorite movie, your favorite comedy. Also make sure you take short walks outside, because after giving birth you need to exercise a bit, and because if you did CS, you cannot work out, you need to walk so that you can get well. Also, if you give a normal birth, make sure you walk so that you can get well faster. Okay, yeah, make sure you take short walks. That mentality of you cannot go outside until 6 months, it's a lie, or 3 months, it's a lie. Guys, walk, take a walk, go upstairs, go downstairs, go outside, get fresh air, breathe, see people. Yeah, that's how it is. But when you lock yourself inside the house, you will get depressed. So you better don't do that. Okay, yeah. And also make sure you teach your husband prepare your husband, or teach him, Google, research how it happens after birth, before birth. Let him know where to come in, let him know where to support you, because they also don't know, like new fathers, they don't know, even second time fathers. You need to educate them, you need to learn also as you educate them. Let them know where they should help you, let them know how they should help you, and yeah, that's how you'll not get depressed. You don't have to feel like you're alone. You have people around you. Let them help you, let them be there for you. Okay, yeah. So what else, guys? What else? Oh, my baby's heavy. This is my baby, yeah, my boy. Baby, like, he does not want to sit alone. Oh, how will I get this work done? But I'm almost done. These ones, after they are ready, I'll cut this one, big ones. I don't have time to do the small ones. Then I'll steam them and pack them in the fridge. That's how I manage to have enough food in my house, because I cannot keep going out with the baby getting food. Like now, he's too heavy for me, and my incision keep paining every time I carry him. So I make sure. Also, you should make sure, after having a baby, make sure you have enough food in your fridge. Like, invest on your fridge because you'll need it. You don't have anyone to send that time. Maybe you are left home alone. You need everything to be inside the house so that you can be able to eat. Make sure there is cereals in the fridge, there is fruit, there is greens, there is There is okay, cereals. So when I say cereals, I mean cooked ones, so that when you are hungry, you not feel lazy to cook. You just take cooked meal and just warm or just cook a bit. Okay, yeah. So yeah, when you do these things, you'll be able to avoid depression. And if you feel that you cannot stay inside the house alone, because your husband has to work, he cannot stay with you the whole, I don't know how many months with you in the house. You people need to feed, need to pay bills, you know. So if you feel you cannot be able to overcome that depression when you're alone, make sure that you stay around people. Go to your family, stay there. Go to your husband's family, or stay there. Okay, go to your sister, stay there until you feel that you are stable emotionally, spiritually, mentally. Okay, sorry baby, sorry baby. Yeah, so yeah, that's all I needed to talk to you guys. So be ready for anything and everything. Postpartum depression is real, and the next video will talk about body insecurities after postpartum. Yeah, we will talk about it because it's also real. You don't find yourself confident after that, and you have to be patient with everything so that everything can go back into normal. My baby is hungry, I need to feed him. So comment down there, tell me what you think about postpartum. Has it happened to you? Were you almost there? Yeah, and how did you deal with your postpartum depression? Let's talk, let's help each other. To the new moms and to those who are almost there, they will learn something and they will be able to take care of themselves. Underscore Kenya 1, and that is my Instagram. And at YouTube, you know, it is Charity Kenya. Just subscribe, comment down there, let me know how you have fought your postpartum depression. Yeah, let me know how you overcame your postpartum depression, and if you did not have one, let us know how you did it. Okay, yeah, so let's talk. Subscribe, share my videos to your friends, let them subscribe also, ask them to subscribe, guys. Yeah, and also give my videos a thumbs up. Make sure you comment so that we can keep the topic going. Make sure the notification bell is on so that you cannot be missing any video that I post. So let's see each other on the next video as we talk about the body insecurities of birth. Yeah, guys, I love you. Baby, say bye. So by this time, guys, my baby was sleepy and he was really stressing me out, so I had to put him on my back so that I'll get my work done. Yeah, that's how it goes, guys. It's crazy. Yeah, so thank you for watching. Bye.